Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy M55s. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to settings. Then click on Google Assistant and click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Then click here on Hey Google and now you can click on Retrain Voice Match Model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click on next and then click back. Then click on lock screen, yes, click yes I'm in and make sure that the first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant now works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.